family, and welcome back to another Rochielin.
Wait, hold on. Where should I look? Here?
Here
it is so distracting. Oh my god. Alright, okay.
Right there.
Okay.
What's up, family, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm joined by Darla J. You guys remember Darla J from previous videos, even when we went down to Iber Spice and we tried the thing them up on a short and all these
yeah,
things.
man, and clear my passage for me pregnant and have baby and them something there.
Yes, you haven't seen her for a while because, you know, she just gave birth to a beautiful baby boy who you're hearing in the background right now. So anyways, we're here, we're about to bake Jamaican Christmas.
She's about to bake. I'm gonna give her instructions.
We are going to bake.
Listen.
And Darla is gonna be teaching us because you don't know what I mean, I really know. I'm just gonna go by the instructions and such.
Don't we all?
We're gonna be using mostly Grace products. So it's not Grace Kitchen, this is Rochielin's Kitchen using some Grace products and some other products, you know. So just if you're interested in learning how Jamaicans make black Christmas rum cake
or fruit cake,
then keep on watching, you know. And you know what to do next? Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right.
The first order of this.
So we need first and foremost.
First of all, when you know say my thing would just be as real as possible.
What is in your cup?
I'm gonna polish up. Right now we're just enjoy ourselves. Right now I'm drinking water. Because I'm gonna use the rum for the cake.
Alright, hold on. People, look here, wait there. Me tell her to buy rum, you see? Look for the amount of rum she can. This is seriously.
We never have more.
People, tell the truth. Alright, so you know dish pan.
Yeah.
Big dish pan. Alright. Alright. So Rochelle, come now. You are going to put on the cup, that's the first thing. Alright. Now everybody, tell me this. Me tell the girl carry raisins called mixed fruits, right? Look, check it out.
Listen.
Check it out.
I've been soaking these raisins in rum for about a year and a half to 2 years now, so they're very rummified. Even though the rum kind of dry out, but they've been soaking, they've been in the
kinda dry out.
You see them here now, you take one of this and you instantly intoxicate.
Let me just put some more in it. Because we don't know what that is.
You don't think you need more raisin than this for one cake? Look how your raisin them look different. Look how my one them look.
Your one them look
juicy.
I don't know how I go on this so.
Alright, so we're gonna leave these to soak.
It should have been the least you should soak these for is like 24 hours. So
okay, and that is what's that?
It's
fruit wine. We don't really have a wine specific for fruit.
Yeah, for baking.
You think of this? You know?
So most people use
red
this.
label wine.
Most people use this, but
and rum.
You see when you depend on budget.
Budget.
There we go.
Guys, I love Darla. I see I missed her, honestly.
So
I missed her around every day.
I missed you too. But guess what? That's why we have the toll and your one toll booth away. Why am I doing this and you should be doing this?
What are you doing?
We're gonna cream the butter and the sugar.
Cream the butter?
Mix them together.
Oh.
Until they're light and fluffy.
So we're gonna mix the butter and the sugar.
She is going to mix it. You want to use the
hand mixer?
You want to use the hand mixer or you want to do it the old-fashioned way by hand?
The hand mixer. I mean, I know my brain is old-fashioned sometimes, but not my body.
Alright. I previously baked some cakes, so the utensils then use up and ting.
Darla just took 3 cakes.
So 1 pound of butter. to 1 pound of sugar.
Yeah.
So 2 cups. We need 2 cups. And
there's 1 pound of butter, 1 pound of sugar.
All right.
We have the flour and the sugar here.
The what? What is it? Shaman.
We have the sugar and the butter here.
Oh my goodness. All right. What else? Because what we're doing is we're using the Grace Kitchen's recipe to do this one. The last one that I did, me wing it. But for Rochel's sake,
it was Darla's recipe.
Rochel's sake, we need to do this. So all right.
We googled the recipe and we're using the one from Grace's website. It's actually pretty simple.
So it says 1 pound, 1 pound Grace margarine, 1 pound dark sugar, 4 medium eggs. I would have rather them room temperature, but you take what me get. Yeah, no, then cool, but that's fine. Half teaspoon vanilla, half teaspoon almond, the counter flour. This is not the counter flour. She got cake flour, whatever we're going to use it.
I saw, and I was like, counter or cake?
Counter flour.
Baking, so let's go with
counter flour, but like how we're using this, we don't really need a lot of baking powder. Alright, mixed spice, we don't have none of that. I'm gonna put other things in there.
gonna wing it a little bit.
4 teaspoon baking powder. Hey, listen. It's about 2 teaspoon. It's like go in there just as is. 2 teaspoon nutmeg. We're going to crack it and grate it. The browning and the fruits. I'm gonna blend the fruits and 3 cups red wine. So we're gonna use the cake wine.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, that's it.
Alright, so we have the butter and the sugar creamed. Well, about to be creamed, but we're gonna wait first because we're gonna blend the fruits. So let's move this.
Yes, please. You want to hold it? Listen, not all heap of space not there. So my assistant has moved it to the back.
A long time she wants to say about assistants, and I think I know.
You wanna come in?
So I have to blend. Show them the blend, you know.
And this is my son that insists that he wants to come in, but he needs to get out now.
No.
Bye. Never gonna happen? No. Daddy? So you don't want, I don't think I want it to. You want a little, it's a little chewy?
I don't know. Let's see.
Boy, you're raising a rubbery bad.
Yeah, cause it's full of rum.
A rubbery bad. Let me try it. Yeah, I don't think it needs to. So I'm gonna put this aside, and you're going to fetch me.
Okay, let me fetch the sugar.
Yes,
and the
please.
flour.
Thank you, my assistant.
I mean the sugar and the butter. Why do I keep calling it flour?
Yo, you really want it going, don't it? All right. So the first instruction, the first part of it says cream, margarine and sugar. Margarine and sugar.
Margarine
Yes,
and
so you're going to cream it, make it light and fluffy. Good? So you hold it, miss. Yes. And you go.
You know how to turn on the plug-in?
Girl. Look at that.
Well, we need to plug it in first.
Well, we need to. Is your device plugged in, ma'am? Yo. All right. Is it off? Turn it off, please.
Off.
Yeah, put it down in there and then you start. You turn it on now. Turn it on now. All around. All around. Like, Lord Jesus. You see how she get me to do it? This was not the plan, you know. This was not the plan. She's like 2020. I divert from the plan. It says gradually beat in 1 egg at a time. So we're going to get a bowl, right?
Okay.
You want to hold this for me, please? No, we're going to get the bowl and you crack the egg.
This look light and fluffy now. Oh.
And we're going to crack them one at a time.
So you're gonna beat it in?
Yeah, you're going to keep beating it. Because I don't want it to
separate. So we're
separate.
gonna beat in the eggs.
1 egg at a time. So it's 4 eggs, remember? So we're going to beat them in 1 at a time. This one. All the way around. We need to hurry up because we don't want them separate. The thing separate. Alright, yeah. So next stir in vanilla essence and the almond. Yeah, half teaspoon each. Teaspoon.
Yeah.
Alright. And 1 may put in there because I don't know warm to them. Because if you really feel like say it need more than that too. Sorry Grace. But like with things, you know? Full of flavor. So I put 3 in there. They say half, I put 3. Me don't business. I saw it go. Alright, so.
Oh, the almond and the vanilla flavors.
Alright, so the next says combine flour, mixed spice, and baking powder and nutmeg. Right? So here what? How much flour? 6 cups of flour. So Rochelle is going to sieve the flour. We're going to do 6.
So we're gonna sieve. It's sieve or sieve?
I think I sieve, you know, sieve.
6 cups, ready? 1.
Yeah, just hello girl. Jesus, Lord, take the case.
See there.
Give it to me.
See there.
Give it to me.
Why? So because we have this in the
Girl, please to put 1 next cup in there. Thank you. One more.
Parents.
1 more, please.
What the flour now, come on. See me just pour it. What if we just pour it?
It's true, me know how it's gonna just throw away. Two. Trust it, yeah, this tight.
See?
Tight, you see? That's what he said.
Tell them. Tell you too.
Listen, 3 children later, that's okay. No, it must go all the way up to the top bowl. This 3/4 cup.
How much cup that I got?
That's 3.
You sure for
Yeah,
that?
that's 3.
Why
So
you do
3
that?
more.
For Weeble?
Country people say weeble, but it's to get rid of the lumps out of the flour and to give the cake a particular lighter texture. Alright, so you see the little lumps on them. Some people press it out. Some people press it out, but me not like press it out. Alright, so we need 3 more.
Show you the sifting of the flour.
See? Lumps. Some people press it out like this, and then, but me no, don't have no time for that. So I throw it away. As I mentioned before, we don't have the amount. So
this is baking powder. What's
that
left
is,
in the tin?
that is it. That is it. Alright, so this is the nutmeg. I don't know if Rochielin knows what this is, but she may attempt to grate it like this, but
No,
it's actually in the crack.
You have to
Crack it, please. Girl, give me this. So this is what it looks like.
So you have to take this part out.
Don't know what kind of neat off. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but hello, girl.
You see, you tell me something, I do it and they end up doing it. Why?
So listen, it said the ingredients said. Let me tell you.
Great,
the ingredient says 2 teaspoons. Some just how great just the whole nutmeg in it.
Come closer. I'm not hold it.
All of them something here me I forgot to do. You saying all of them something here me I endure?
For the video.
Not sure. True she love you no here. Just true she love you no. Alright.
Girl, have you seen them? Girl, have you used? I can't do nothing else. I can't get nutmeg.
Hello, girl, you don't need to do that. I will let you go do. She take too long. Can't bother. You want to go and grease the pan then? Or you want me grease the pan then too?
You do it because if I start doing it, you're going to take it from me. You're going to take it from me and do it, so.
Alright, I think that's enough.
For my non-Jamaican subscribers and watchers, I know I'm speaking. We're speaking.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Native
in
tongue.
our native tongue, we're speaking a lot of patois. I hope you can understand, but I'll chip in and out so you get a little of the patois and a little of the English. You know?
Yeah, that should be enough.
Yeah. I try to mix the two, you know, like a patois, like a English, like a Spanish.
Cinnamon. I don't have a mixed spice, so I'm gonna use
the almond.
Oh Lord.
Again.
It's a brook.
So we're substituting mixed spice.
But really, this should be in there, you know. This should be in there. I'm not sure why. They left it out. So here what?
Let's learn it.
Yeah, about that. You know what it?
One thing about Jamaicans, we love everything spicy. If it's pepper, it's peppery.
My ancestor says stop. My ancestor says stop. Alright.
Alright, so mix it on up.
Let me put a pinch of salt in there, cause
yeah, let me give it a salt.
I don't know if a hypersensitive people they make.
No, that is not a pinch though. That is a slap. That is a pinch of salt and that's a.
My ancestors they keep pouring. I just feel like say, is it me?
Okay.
Alright, so
we're gonna put it in
you're gonna pour the fruits in this.
Fruits in here?
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the fruits in the butter and sugar. The margarine and sugar.
You want to mix it? You want to continue mix it?
Oh, so I'm using the wooden spoon?
Yeah, to mix it.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that.
Yo, give me mix it. Just.
We haven't even get a chance to start mixing it yet.
Yeah, take too long.
No, stop. Oh my, mix it.
Oh, how much wine you want in there, Rochelle? 3 cups.
3 cups of cake wine. 1.
I don't think you need any more. You want it light. We put half, cause
1.5 cups.
Yeah, cause we did blend out the fruits already, so I don't really want it. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm gonna enjoy this.
You make it, so you must enjoy it.
Yeah, me totally.
You left on it for this in portions. So 1/3, maybe that's. I put in the browning last. You don't have to. You can put it at the middle, the beginning of this, or but I like to put it in last when everything is combined. To you like a cake very dark, by the way?
Yeah, as long as the cake tastes good, fluffy, and have alcohol,
Woo.
I'm good.
Don't worry, Miss will make you mix it out.
No, man, I think you're doing a fabulous job.
Oh, so this you don't want help with?
I mean, if I were doing it, I'd just use a cake mixer.
Yeah, I know. I know, or a hand mixer. So you know what to get me next for our birthday.
Okay. We have the same birthday, guys. We're both born on August 3rd.
Jesus. At this thing broke off your back. It's a little thick.
Need some rum.
Look at that. Look what came in handy. The little bit of rum.
I'm reaching my way to that quick. Alright, we'll get the point.
Done.
You know the best part? I used to love about
The butter?
baking process. When I finish it, I get to eat the butter.
I have to mix out the flour.
No. The hand mixer could have just do this thing.
It could enough. It's not the same.
I need for show our face. I promise you our face not show. In the baking tin. You know, normal people would use like a brush.
But such a shamefully say.
Grease the tin. But no.
I don't know.
Not Darla. Darla gonna use her hands. I know, it's when I get so intimate with the thing, that's when it tastes the best.
Yes, I agree.
Like some dirty food taste.
Yeah, remember me tell you.
You ever got some of them people that, some of them man that
What them said, don't eat from him, yo. Him cook the dog a dog meat. And you eat it. What me say? You can't stop and tie with the dog meat. Yeah. But we need some flour. So can you go in the fridge, please? Butter, Michelle.
And get flour?
Get the flour for me, please.
You keep flour in the fridge?
Yes, boo. Do you know how weebles are born?
No.
I don't know either. So until I know. Comment below, please, if you guys know how weebles were born. I don't know.
Another heat?
Yeah, I don't know. I just see them and they freak me out, so I just keep everything in the fridge.
So we're greasing.
Hello, miss. No, miss. This one me a grease, miss. Miss. The top one, miss. The top one, and then me I just put the flour.
I'm thinking about bottom.
No, miss. And then this. I don't think we need more than 2. It looks a lot though, you know.
It looks like it's gonna be thick.
Yeah, it looks.
Thick.
Don't worry about it, girl. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It will come out alright. Alright. Alright, 3/4 ways, yeah? 3/4 ways. No, that's not 3/4 way. That's not even quarter way. True.
Come on, you see, I tell us she not gonna allow me to do it.
Probably about that. Oh.
Stays good.
I need a spatula. Rochelle, come, make you a spoon if you eat it. Go on. Make you a spoon if you eat it.
Okay, so this is mine now. This is always the best part of making Christmas cake. When I had the empty container to look out. Now the spoon. No worry, this is not going back over there. This is all going in my belly.
In my belly.
This is the one time of the year that I'm gonna have the dairy. That margarine over there.
Yeah.
It's fluffy.
Yeah, like the foil. Look at it.
The tin. Okay, so we just put the 2 cakes in the oven. Put the oven at, what's the temperature?
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Don't be a Jamaican and just turn up the stove. Don't do it.
And we also just set the timer to 1.5.
Yes.
Which Darla told Alexa to do.
I mean,
She and Alexa are best. Alexa, set the timer to 1.5.
she makes my life much better.
So
we wait on the cakes.
So I'll see you guys in an hour and a half. But in video time, I'll see you in the next clip. Go watch the ad. Soon come back. I'm done. Darla made 3 other cakes today.
4.
4?
Yeah.
So the other one.
It's right over there.
Oh, I can't count.
4.
I can't count. So now that the cake is out of the oven, this is what it looks like. Just to compare with the others that I made today. Yeah, they're all a little dark, but
yeah,
the ones from today are a little darker. Yes, that I put more rum and
more fruits and stuff.
Fruits and a baga.
The last section did need some more ingredients. Yeah. Alright. So
but these shouldn't be too bad. So we're gonna wet it now with the rum. No, with the wine. With the wine. When I take it home, I will add more rum. Alright, because I only carry a little bit of rum and darling, I have no more rum.
I don't have it. Alright.
So she's wetting it up with some wine.
You know, we have to keep it wet. You know,
so now you have to make it so keen, you know, and you know what? Get all of them good stuff.
It smells really good though.
It smells really good. Actually, it smells good.
Really good. You know, country old time settings.
Hey, remember them kind of plate, yeah? Some real old school Jamaican cake. I don't know what I'm doing, Darla. Thank you.
So it's a little, it's thicker than you want it.
Guys, look at it. Look at it.
Taste it before you say you want some rum.
Look at it. The proof is in the pudding. I love the flavor. It have a good flavor. Like you put the right amount of spice in there.
Grace, say the right amount.
The 1 teaspoon of vanilla wouldn't cut it. This is it. This is it. It's a little heavy though.
What do?
Let me taste.
Give me this.
So I'm gonna compare it with the cake that Darla made today, with different ingredients.
I can't.
And it's hers is supposed to be a lighter mixture.
Yeah, lighter.
Look at the difference in color. Can you tell? This one is lighter brown. This one is the one we just made, and this is from earlier.
Tell me which one.
See which one I prefer. I prefer yours.
Really, why?
Because it's lighter.
That's why?
And it have more rum.
Well.
It have more alcohol. But both of the batter tastes good for both of them. But this one have more alcohol. 2 of them go on though.
In a pimp cup.
Me I get sorry in a pimp cup.
Eat it and
you made this?
You're good housewife for that?
But you can't open one Christmas restaurant.
I'm good housewife. Shani, what's sweet here?
I just run the salad. No, but it tastes
fermented. It tastes fermented.
From when you make this? Honestly, guys,
last week.
It tastes good.
Two of them taste the same way. It's just
It
like
tastes the
one
same.
one darker.
And one is warm.
This is warm.
Warm. The one is warm. I think when this cool down, it's gonna taste like that.
This.
Yeah.
I drop 2 pimento seeds.
Yeah, yacht.
I drop 2 pimento seeds in
Yeah,
there.
yacht.
Wait a minute, I drop 2 pimento seeds in there.
I'm getting sorry. Comment below and tell Darla that you need to see her in more videos. Okay? Comment and tell her she needs to come in the videos and she needs to start her own channel. Alright, pimento seeds added.
You that?
Me that. May I just pull out my flask.
You say next week?
Yeah.
You say what? Next week when that open? It's supposed to. It's supposed to. Not even when you put a rum
This
pan
one
it.
is fermenting.
That's when you put a rum pan it, you go so drunk. This is so good though.
Okay, them taste good, Darla. Darla, you go on with yourself.
Okay.
You go on. Alright, family, so that's basically it for the Christmas cake. That is how you make a Jamaican Christmas cake.
One version.
Well, one version. Grace's version along with Darla's touch and my flair.
If you can call it that.
You know, so if you're interested in making, you know, a Jamaican version of a Christmas cake, you can definitely follow our unorthodox recipe and method.
Just dash a few things in.
Dash, I want to go with the saltage.
It's yes, to the ancestor system.
And all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Rochielin, Rochielin. Alright, so I'm gonna eat and be merry, and we are almost at Christmas.
Yeah,
so
we'll have some sorrel too.
We're gonna drink some sorrel.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna eat the Christmas cake.
It's been fermenting for a little while, so.
Oh, that look
yeah,
rich.
Man. Ready.
That look rich.
Ready.
Oh my. Alright guys, so that's it for today's Vlogmas video. I'll see you in the next one.
I swear. Hey, your money though.